Sky Suite.
This is the Aqua Sky Suite on the Celebrity Beyond.
Hello, this is the Aqua Sky Suite. The physical stateroom itself would be the same as our standard Sky Suite. What makes the Aqua Sky Suite special is that you get all of the amenities of the suite class plus all of the amenities of the Aqua class. So that combined amenity package makes the Aqua Sky Suite or AS category special.
So you get entrance to the retreat?
Yes. It is a suite accommodation.
So this is the cabin to take.
Yes, you have a butler, you have full suite class amenities, you have full Aqua class amenities. You get the best of both worlds.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And where's the retreat?
So you have a tub, rainforest shower, bathroom amenities. Your makeup mirror here is in the bathroom, but what's nice is that you have full view of the cabin from here, which gives a lot of natural light, and a big large sink with two sink heads. And this does close, so it gives you a full mirror and privacy if you don't want to see the views of the ocean while you're in the bathroom.